Windbreaks can reduce your energy use for your home by blocking cold winter winds. Many people use this arborvitae, the green giant, because its exceptional growth rate, hardiness, durability, and it's cold hardy in Pennsylvania and New Jersey locations. If you're thinking about cutting your energy use by going green, this is the tree to consider.
These are 8 to 10 foot green giants. The tops of these trees will be approximately 10.5 feet off the ground. They're a great tree for screening and buffering. The green giant grows fast, and if you trim it, it'll get real dense and full. The green giant is also somewhat deer resistant, not deer proof. If you have 10 deer in your yard every day, the green giant will suffer damage. But if it's just an occasional deer, here and there, your green giant will perform very well. If you want these green giants, you can pick them up in Fountainville, PA, or you can call us at 215-651-8329. We do deliver and we also install, and we have thousands of these green giants ready for you.
All trees and shrubs that you buy in Pennsylvania and New Jersey must be kept moist. You must check and make sure they never dry out after you plant them. You want the root ball to stay moist, not wet, and not dry.